Okay.
It's mainly to introduce students to the business, so that they can make money whilst in school and then outside school.
Okay, you're still watching JMP's Who's the Best. I'm doing an IBA in the mistress, and I'm with me the master.
Risha baby.
Okay, here are some girls also representing Infantiman Senior High School, and I'm here to ask them a couple of questions. You introduce yourself, and then you answer my question.
Okay, I'm Phyllis Otavio. Schneider Samoa. A4 Anaman. Akofa Koka.
And you're?
I'm Yaya. Sharon. Bianca. And Mame. Elaine. Nikki. Belinda.
Okay. So right now, the body tell us more about the JMP. What do you feel about the JMP? Stuff like that, everything going on. How do you feel about the JMP?
JMP, you guys are great because it's very nice when you guys came here. We never expected you to be here, but you are here, and I think it's very great. You did very well. We are very glad.
Okay, what about you two?
Oh, I think JMP is okay. Like, you people are fighting really for us, and we love you.
Okay, thank you very much. Let's give an audience to the others.
Okay, what do you also think about JMP's Who's the Best?
I love them so much. They make everything fun, and I really enjoy everything they do.
Oh, really? Yeah. That's really great. And you?
I think it's very competitive. You guys should keep it up. I love this crew. I love the videos. I love everything about you people. Big ups, man. I love you so much. You're the best I've ever seen so far. I love you so much.
For you heard that, we're the best they've ever seen so far. So you better stick up, relax, and you know how we do it. About our program. What do you think about J?
Oh, it's one of the most interesting and fantastic clubs we can have. We produce. We got what it takes. You can just see Ashara, we have a lot.
Okay.
Jay is the best.
Okay. What do you think about Jordan's Who's the Best?
It's great.
It's nice.
It's wonderful.
Marvelous. So good.
Fantastic.
Interesting.
Very, very interesting.
It's fabulous. I told them is them to keep on watching Who's the Best, because that's the best thing that can ever happen to your life. Yeah.
Okay, what do you also think?
Well, you've heard it all. You've seen it all. They got the flex, they got the B. And it's Who's the Best on JMP.
Make some noise.
Hey, Charlie.
J.
Make it happen.
Okay, although we had a tough time, but we made it. J.
Make it happen.
Wow.
Me are one of the boys from one of the top ranking schools in GH, and he goes by the name
Mega Montana from ATL Clan, O31, straight from Takoradi.
Yeah, he's trying to represent his school. That's how it is. And also, Mega Montana, how did you get to know about the program?
Okay, telephones are not allowed in school, so we had to read the stars, go to the wrong way. You know how we do, like some way, somehow we got to find out. So yeah, we had to represent, about the O31 and that.
Yeah, it's stopping at DDY. Teddy from the same line. Yeah, a little freestyle. Some Makadada, Sir Rapper no Membeseho, Makadada Rapper no Wanyadi Yamijai. Fantiman Girls School, Yabeseho, JMP, Demonte Dananayo. Yeah, it's a boy, it's stopping at DDY. St. John's School.
They said you're here to say, so you better get ready, stay glued in. They're gonna give a little shout out to the couple of homies way back in school and other school. So yo, who would you like to give a shout out to?
Okay. Shout out to Archbishop Portes and St. Mary's, and all the schools in Western region. Yeah.
Listen, it's Fantiman Girls Senior High School. Keep on watching Who's the Best.
Who's the best?
From Quavo Tree.
This is Uptown Underground from our disco, and I'm here with.
Are you rocking with your boy Blue Way for sure?
All from our disco, keep watching.
Who's the best?
For real, JMP video.
We got a copyright here.
Keep on watching Who is the Best. JMP video. We love you.
People start coming. Now I seen them for me, holy. Now nothing to happen, baby. Careful, let me corny. Oh, Nitini, you're the queen after my own heart. Oh, Nitini, girl, we would never fall apart. Oh, Nitini, you're the queen after my own heart. Oh, Nitini, my baby, you got me singing. Oh.
Miss Kim flick it out on me, baby mama. It's my pretty beauty queen straight from Ghana. Make you my mistress, me righteous emperor. The only one, number one, come around, let's have fun.
I've been around the world, is none better than you are. No girl. I've been around the world and I haven't found any girl who showed me love. There is none better than you are. No girl. Adore you. You know that I love you. Mini woo baby, I place no one above.